Hey everybody, Steven Sikowski here, leading educator on how to trade the financial markets. So, many of you saw the story that some drones hit an oil refinery in Saudi Arabia. Boom. This refinery is responsible for about 5% of all oil refinement production in the world. So, when I see a story like that, first of all, I feel bad for everybody involved. Secondly, I start asking myself, where is the opportunity? So there's a couple of ways to be able to play this and for you to potentially go out and make some money. So the first one is using an ETF. Here's the symbol, USO, stands for United States Oil. And basically, this ETF is a proxy for the price of a barrel of West Texas Intermediate crude oil. So this week, we're up 5.9% in this trade, and let's take a look at the chart. So here is the last 6 months, and you can see that this ETF trades typically in a range, somewhere between 1370 and between somewhere in the $11 a share range, somewhere in that neighborhood. Right now we're sitting at 1220. Beautiful part is that since we've had all of this go down, boom, it's up. So, I mean, that's pretty obvious. And I want for all of you to get to a point in life that whenever you see chaos or quote unquote a disaster, to recognize there's probably an opportunity somewhere. Now, another way to play this is with an oil stock. So let's go to BP, and I've shared this stock with you before. It happens to be in my portfolio. So here's the chart on BP, and you can see the same thing. You know, it was sort of down in the dumps, and now BP has moved up, you know, somewhere in the neighborhood of, let's see, it was down here around 35.50. Now it's close to 39. So let me tell you what's great about BP. If we go into fundamentals, we can see that their profits are growing 8.5% a year. But if I look a little further, their dividend is 6.36%. That's per year. I mean, 3.36%. I mean, if the stock didn't even move for a lot of you, you'd be making a multiple of what you're making with money sitting in the bank. So the moral of the story is this. When you see something that looks like a disaster, looks like chaos, a big story, start asking yourself, where is the opportunity? So both USO up sharply, BP up sharply. BP also pays that really nice dividend on top of it. So I want you to start thinking like an investor. By the way, most of the money is made in this country during the bad times. That is a perfect case in point. Till next time, have an awesome day. God bless.